A major question I get from prospective students is, what can I do to prepare for KWI? Now I know full well they're asking with a welding mindset, so the standard answer is put in the reps. Pad plate or pipe, progressively increase the difficulty with position or process, and get comfortable making welds with your gear and tools. But some very key habits that will help you out a whole lot more here at KWI are threefold. Number one, work ethic. Push yourself wherever you are currently. So if that is in high school, fine. In a 90-minute welding class, weld 90 minutes. Keep that hood down and save that chit chat for English class. Push yourself to see how hard you can go. Because when you get here to KWI, it's gonna be 8 hours of in the mix. And if you're not used to being on your feet and working hard, it's gonna wash you pretty hard. Number two is responsibility. Hey, again, if you're in high school, get your assignments in on time. Yes, even that history or English paperwork that you didn't want to turn in. This will build discipline. And discipline essentially is being able to push yourself through things that you don't enjoy because you know there's a carrot on the backside. There's a reward to be wanted. There's gonna be times here at KWI when the welding teachers are telling you, hey, do it one more time, do it one more time. And you're gonna feel the weight of that. You don't want to, you wanna be done, but they're trying to make you good. They wanna make sure you can do it continuously over and over, dependable. They don't want you to be done, they want you to be awesome. So keep doing that, push yourself through, and that's gonna take responsibility in the discipline area. The third thing is respect. Practice giving respect and learning how to be coachable. In this industry, so much is learned through experience, and these old cats are gonna have a lot of knowledge to pour into you. And it's a very old school way of thinking in the industry, where respect to those who are in authority or with age is the rule. So if you're coming from a high school where you're back talking your English teacher and you feel like you throw them some eyes or some faces, you give them a look or psh type of attitude, it's not gonna go over very well in this industry at all. So learn how to level yourself up in a big boy world, give some respect, and you'll get it as well.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.